Greetings, greetings, greetings. Tell me something. When you correct people, we are going the wrong way. You take time with them. Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God and talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with everybody where you know. And if you not do it yet, now the best time to click the subscribe button and the notification bell too. To make sure say you don't miss none of what I go on right here so 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, we are going to read from Paul's second letter to Timothy, chapter 2, from verse 14 to verse 26. No make nobody forget them sitting here. Warn them in a God name for top fight over what some word mean. Them sitting there not help nobody. It only mash up the people them. We hear it. Try hard and do your work the way God want you to do it. Make sure you do your work good and only teach the truth. If you do this, you're not going to have nothing for shame about, and God will be happy with you. Stay far from argument when you respect God. Because the people them we get in a them kind of argument there, we start draw away from him. For the message, I go spread like gangrene. Arminius and Philetus are two of them kind of people there. Them a teach something way far from the truth. Them a say, oh God, people dead and come back already. And I cause some people to stop believe in a Jesus Christ. But God foundation solid and strong. It a turn up same way. And it have this right pan it. The Lord know the people them we are fame own. And anybody we say Jesus a Lord must stop the wicked sin. In a one great house, you have enough different kind of bowl. You have gold bowl and silver bowl. Bowl we make out of wood, bowl we make out of clay, bowl where you use for special time, and bowl where you use every day. The same way go with people. If anybody will clean up themselves and turn from all way wicked, him we come in like one of the special bowl them. And God, we can use him for do special things. Him we ready for do all kind of good sin. So run away from the wicked sitting them where the young people them want to do. And try hard to do it right. You must live how God want you to live. And you show love and take time with other people. Trust in a Jesus and not give up. Timothy, this is what you do. And all of the people them will worship God with one clean heart to do it too. No have nothing to do with no fool or stupid argument. And about a cuss with nobody over God's word. Cause you know say they sitting there only cause people to fight. And Jesus Christ servant them not for fight. Them for kind to everybody. Them for can teach good. And when them a deal with people, them for take them time with them. God's servant, when him a correct the one, they may go against the truth. For take him time with them. Because God might have made them change them ways and learn the truth. And they might have get sense and see say the devil trap them and can get out of it. The devil did trap them, so him couldn't use them for do him work. I God what this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.